Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Want to make Instagram Reels in Canva using templates? In this tutorial, I'll show you how to customize an Instagram Reel template using your own videos and images on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. Let's get started. First, open Canva on your device. Next step, video. Then select Instagram Reel. Canva will display many Instagram Reel templates you can choose from. Browse through the templates and select the one you like. Once the template opens, the video editor will appear automatically. To replace media, tap the video or image on the timeline. You can also tap the video or image directly on the canvas. Then tap Replace. Choose the video or image you want to use from your gallery. Canva will automatically replace the original media with your selected file. Repeat the same steps for any other videos or images you want to change. Once you're happy with the result, tap the upload icon. From here, you can choose to share or download. For this example, tap Download. If video quality options are available on your account, select your preferred quality, then tap Download. And that's how to make Instagram Reels in Canva using templates on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more Canva tutorials. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.